Hi folks, good morning to all. Okay, today's we just discuss about C programming basics and for the introduction. Also, about before learning about the C programming, we should know about some basic knowledge on that. See how the building process is happening and what is translator. How whatever we write the code for that code will be converted to extension file, and also what is standalone application and what is web application, and we will be understanding about the how it works the platform. Okay, and also we will be seek about how the preprocessor will work, some basic terminology should understand before learning about this program. Okay, and we'll revision it on today. Hope you all are fine. Okay, let me begin. And before that, I just introduce myself. I'm Tamil Maran. I done B Electronics and Communication Engineering. Currently, I'm having around 12 years of experience. I just share my some of about this programming knowledge. For this, it will be useful for the upcoming people can read about it, and moreover, your comments are more welcome. Okay, so let me begin. Okay, so have been worked in C previously, so I have the real-time experience on that. So it will be shared to everyone, and your comments are more welcome. And we can see now today's we can see the program. So we'll have the beginner for this only for about portfolio for the introduction and how the basics concepts we can understand. Later gradually we'll go one by one for this program execution, and we can do in the real time for this loader how it works, and the linker using linker how you link your all the so object codes as a, all your source code will be converted into exe file, how this linking programming is working, and all we can take with the examples for the portfolio. Okay, and just now in spite of this we can open the board and we can discuss on this in spite of that. So I'll open the board now. 1 minute, maybe that will be good for to discuss. I have installed board. Yes, we have. So moreover your comments are welcome. Okay, and questions will be clarified. So we just begin. Okay, generally we got to know before going to learn any one language in one computer programming language. So we got to know in computer system what are the uh, what are the applications are available. First things. Okay, very simple, very basic level we got to learn. So if you take it in computer system, so in this worldwide we have two type of application. One is called standalone application. So two type of applications available. So one is standalone application. Other one is web-based application. So we have to know what we are doing generally. If you are doing the programming, whether does the program is you are developing for which application. So there is two type of application. The entire computers. Okay, you can use for this computer system in computer programming language. So there are two type of application. One thing you will work for standalone application. Other one is web-based application. Okay. So we should understand what is standalone application, what is web-based application. Standalone application very simple. It required for installation is required. Okay. And then installation is required, and also it is OS dependent. It requires OS dependent. OS dependent. Okay. Web-based application. It's a it's not required for any installation. Not required for installation. Also, it's not required for installation. It's a dependent OS. Dependent to OS as well as independent OS. As well as independent to OS. So we can see a standalone application. For example, we can take C programming, C++, okay, C++. There are these are languages. So if you want to use C program, when you write C program, you record for the OS. Okay, you will install one compiler. In that you will write a C program, C coding. Okay, and similar to C++ also. Okay, but for this web-based application, not required any installation. For example, you can take for this if you're developing Facebook and Chrome, Facebook or Instagram, Twitter, etc. Okay. So web-based application is not required to installation because it's a web-based. Okay. And standalone application installation is required because it's dependent to OS. Also C++. When you write in .c file, you should require for the compiler. Using that, you will write the program and it will be executed. Okay, compiler, and using translator, you will convert your source code into executable file. Okay, using this object file to use the build process, it will be converted. Okay, so for this web application, not required. This you should understand. Also, what is a term called a platform? Like generally, we can say for this OS, and it required for OS standalone application. It is like a platform OS dependent. It is okay, but this is for independent platform. So web-based application, these are not required for the platform aspects. And then what we'll discuss. So this is the main thing. We'll work for this C++ and this Facebook, whatever. So this is a major concept for this programming language. And moreover, we'll see about how this and some more we'll understand about the basics for this interpreter. What is translator? Okay, that is main thing. And what is compiler and how the interpreter will work, and what are the types of compiler, what are the types of translator, we can see one by one. Okay, and this um, so we'll see the translator. Generally, translator is nothing but it is which program which converts the instruction into assembly or high level language, because the computer can only understand the machine language. Okay, so translator and programming languages processor is generic term, so it can refer anything and converts code from the one computer language to another language. Okay, very simple. You want to say about translator is a converter. See, actually, you write one program that we used to call like it's a source code. Generally, source code instance we will say about just like a non-machine language. It's like a non-machine language. You will write in the English, right? Just writing on instruction. So that is not a machine language. So it will be converted into machine language. That is called a translator. Using translator, we can convert the uh, source code to machine language. That is called translator. And translator, there are different types. Okay, we can see about what is translator. Translator we can say which converts instruction in assembly or high level language, because computer can only understand the English language. Okay. Computer can only understand the English language. That's why we record the translator. So what are the types of translator? Types of translator. So we have different kind of translator, like a compiler, interpreter, and assembler. Okay, these are the types of translator. We will see about what is compiler and what are the types of compiler is available, and what is interpreter, and what is assembler will do. Okay, and moreover, this translator will draw one diagram how it is. Okay, I'll draw one diagram from here. We can see the document. This is called translator. So we write the program, translator, it will be converted to object code. So you write program.c file. So using translator, we can convert into object file. Okay, that's called the translator. And see other one. So what is source code here? We should understand. Source code, as you know, when you write the program, it is like a non-machine language. Okay, it is called whatever you write the program. It is like a non-machine language that is called source code. and we can see our interpreter will work. Thank you. We will see that then.